Mr. Maxonian.
So yeah, welcome back to a brand new video. Just watching this Triumph coming past. Triumph TR4, and they're coming in and out here constantly at the Weaver Wanderer show. But on this one I just wanted to have a quick wander around all the cars that have come past me. Might get a few people's might talk to two people about the cars on this one. There's quite a few coming in now. It's a thing as you can stand there all day waiting for them to come in. I've been there for a couple of hours doing that, so yeah. Yeah, this is some of the cars that are on show here. Let's see. The four Citroens. We caught them all coming in together. And there's one or two coming in now. I'll just capture them while we're here. Coming in. Yeah, I've got an old one here. TR6 Triumph. It's like a rally car. Interesting one. Yeah, the TR6 here. Just parking them up.
Send the red one down to Alan.
And they're making another row in a second. This is a Mazda. Here, a Triumph. Again, here. The Triumph TR6.
Take the 5 off everybody to come in.
And another Mazda here. Roadster.
Oh, he'd definitely give me a fiver then, shouldn't he?
But yeah, we'll carry on wandering down. I'll go down this road here, so I know where I'm up to. So yeah, this is an old Triumph here. A Mercedes. The old MG. And Triumph here. Another old MG, yeah. And another one there. A 90s MG, this one. And a 2000s MG. Old Triumph. MGTF 1500. Triumph Stag. Another MG there, another Triumph Stag. Yeah, an Austin Hill Spitfire. 3 of them. Let's get them together. It's quite smart, isn't it? The old BMW. There's been loads of these knocking round years ago. Some more Triumph Stags here, 3 together. And this one's from the army. Not sure what you call this. Yeah, look at that. It's quite smart, isn't it, this one? But, yeah, these have just come here. A couple of Triumphs as a master. Just wander down here. Go down the second row. So, yeah, and Alfa Romeo. See many of them around. So, yeah, this is a Honda S800 1967. So, registrates back from. This one's an MG.
We've all been. As soon as you walk in the door, tell us whether it's your
MGA. Well, that was an old one. Another Aston Martin Spitfire. Sprite. This one here is a Triumph Formosa. Can't remember what it was. I've seen it a few times, this one. Yeah. Yeah, 1959. Triumph Formosa 120. It's quite nice, that, isn't it? Volvo. There's a few more Stags that have just arrived in the distance. But, yeah, this is a Volvo 123 GT. Porsche Carrera 4 GTS. Another TF 1500 MG. And this is a Citroen 2C V6 Special. And BMW there. And there's some more here, as I say. We saw these before when we first started the video. The Roadster unit. We'll just capture them that have come in that we've missed in a minute. We'll just go down this aisle. So I think we saw them ones. So there was Austin Healey here. An Austin Mini Cooperette. The old one. It's based back from the mid-60s, that one. Mercedes-Benz. This is a 2003 Quantum Extreme kit. Yeah. This is a Porsche Spider. Look at the smart letters. That cool. Yeah, that's cool, that one. And here we've got the Maestro here. The Austin Maestro. The old Bentley. Saab 99 GL. Chevrolet 10 truck. Porsche. And Ford Escort here. It's like they're doing something with it. That's pretty smart inside them. So yeah, these are the ones that we missed coming in. Triumph stags. And this one here is a bit more of an interesting one. This is a Jensen SP. So yeah, this is a Jensen.
Yeah.
Jensen SP. It's cool, isn't it? So yeah, just come onto the site of the Royal Oak car park where one or two are situated. Because they're having trouble getting on and off the field. This is another old BMW here, 325i. Here we've got a Jaguar XJS V12. Look at that. Smart that, isn't it? Proper smart, that one. Yeah, this one's an unusual one. A Cobra 427 Williams. The old Morris Cooper here, Mini. There it is. So yeah, this is the old Ford Cortina Super. Wow. And I'm going to finish off this video with the TVR. Look at that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So yeah, I'm going to leave this video there. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And we'll catch you again on the next one. It's a goodbye from me. And goodbye.